Ever wondered how the burger you ate turns into energy for your body? It's a fascinating journey that happens every time you eat. Your body is an amazing machine, and just like any machine, it needs fuel to run. That fuel comes from the food we eat. Let's dive into the incredible journey of digestion. From the moment food enters your mouth to the moment it powers your every move. The digestive system. It's like a bustling factory inside you, working tirelessly to transform food into energy. This complex network of organs doesn't just digest your food, it extracts vital nutrients. Carbs, proteins, and fats, the building blocks of energy, are broken down into smaller, usable components. Then, these nutrients are delivered throughout your body, fueling your every cell. It's a team effort with enzymes acting like tiny scissors, cutting up large food molecules into smaller, digestible pieces. Your body is incredibly efficient, absorbing what it needs and discarding the rest. This entire process, from the moment you take a bite to the moment your body is energized, is a testament to the wonders of human biology. The journey begins in the mouth, where digestion kicks off even before you swallow. Did you know digestion starts the moment you think about food? The mere anticipation of food triggers your salivary glands, releasing saliva into your mouth. That's why your mouth waters at the sight or smell of your favorite dish. Your teeth get to work, grinding and crushing the food into smaller pieces. This mechanical breakdown increases the surface area, making it easier for enzymes to do their job. Saliva isn't just water. It contains an enzyme called amylase, which starts breaking down carbohydrates. Your taste buds also come alive, sending signals to your brain about the flavors you're experiencing. Once chewed and mixed with saliva, the food, now a soft mass called a bolus, is ready to be swallowed. The esophagus, a muscular tube, takes over, propelling the bolus towards your stomach. This process, called peristalsis, is a series of coordinated muscle contractions that ensure food travels in one direction. A flap called the epiglottis plays a crucial role here, ensuring the bolus goes down the right pipe. It covers the trachea, preventing food from entering your airway. At the end of the esophagus, a muscular ring called the lower esophageal sphincter relaxes, allowing the bolus to enter the stomach. Did you know that gravity doesn't matter? Peristalsis works even when you're upside down. The sounds your abdomen makes, known as borborygmi, are caused by gas and fluid moving through the intestines. It's most noticeable when you're hungry because there's less food to muffle the noise. The stomach, a J-shaped organ, is where the real action begins. This muscular sac acts like a food processor, churning and mixing the bolus with gastric juices. Gastric juices are a potent mixture containing hydrochloric acid or HCl and enzymes like pepsin. HCl creates a highly acidic environment, killing bacteria and activating pepsin. Pepsin, a powerful enzyme, starts breaking down proteins into smaller chains called peptides. The stomach also secretes mucus, protecting its lining from the corrosive effects of HCl. This churning and chemical breakdown transform the bolus into a thick, soupy liquid called chyme. The stomach gradually releases chyme into the small intestine for further digestion and absorption. The pyloric sphincter, a muscular valve at the bottom of the stomach, regulates the flow of chyme into the small intestine. It ensures that the small intestine receives manageable amounts of chyme for optimal digestion. The stomach's muscular contractions aren't just about mixing, they also help break down food mechanically. These contractions, combined with the chemical action of gastric juices, turn the once solid food into a more digestible form. The stomach also acts as a temporary storage unit, allowing you to eat larger meals without constantly feeling hungry. It gradually releases chyme into the small intestine, ensuring a steady supply of nutrients to the body. With the food now broken down into chyme, the digestive journey continues into the small intestine, the primary site of nutrient absorption. Now let's enter the small intestine, a coiled 20-foot-long tube where the magic of nutrient absorption happens. Its inner lining is covered in tiny, finger-like projections called villi and microvilli, which drastically increase the surface area for absorption. This is where your body takes what it needs, transporting nutrients from the digested food into the bloodstream to be delivered to your cells. The small intestine is divided into 3 sections: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum, each playing a crucial role in digestion and absorption. The duodenum, the first section, receives chyme from the stomach and mixes it with digestive juices from the pancreas and liver. The pancreas, like a digestive juice factory, delivers enzymes specifically designed to break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The liver contributes bile, a substance stored in the gallbladder, which helps break down fats into smaller droplets, making them easier to digest. This combination of enzymes and bile in the duodenum creates a powerful digestive cocktail, ensuring the efficient breakdown of nutrients. Next up is the jejunum, where the majority of nutrient absorption takes place. Its lining is specially adapted to absorb carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Glucose from carbohydrates, amino acids from proteins, and fatty acids from fats are all absorbed here, entering the bloodstream to provide energy and building blocks for the body. Finally, the ileum, the last stretch of the small intestine, absorbs any remaining nutrients, including vitamin B12, which is crucial for cell growth and red blood cell production. The ileum also plays a role in recycling bile salts, absorbing them and sending them back to the liver to be reused, demonstrating the body's remarkable efficiency. Now, we reach the large intestine, a wider but shorter tube than the small intestine, measuring about 5 feet long. This is where the remnants of your meal, the undigested food matter, arrive after their journey through the small intestine. Fiber isn't digested by the human body but plays a crucial role in digestive health. It adds bulk to stool and promotes healthy bowel movements while feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Remember, the large intestine isn't just a waste pipe. It plays a crucial role in absorbing water and electrolytes, preventing dehydration. This process is essential for maintaining your body's fluid balance, ensuring that you don't lose too much water through waste. As water is absorbed, the undigested food matter gradually transforms from a liquid to a more solid form, becoming what we know as stool. The large intestine is also home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. Once thought to be useless, the appendix is now believed to serve as a reservoir for beneficial bacteria, helping to repopulate the gut after infections. These bacteria play a vital role in fermenting any remaining carbohydrates that weren't digested in the small intestine. This fermentation process produces gases which contribute to flatulence, as well as certain vitamins like vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting. Finally, the formed stool moves into the rectum, the last portion of the large intestine, where it's stored until it's time for elimination. We've seen how food is broken down, but how does this process actually translate into the energy that powers your every move, thought, and breath? The answer lies within your cells, specifically within tiny structures called mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. Through a complex process called cellular respiration, your cells use the nutrients extracted from food, primarily glucose from carbohydrates, to generate energy in the form of ATP. ATP acts like a tiny battery, providing energy for everything from muscle contractions and nerve impulses to building new cells and maintaining body temperature. Let's break down how each macronutrient contributes to this energy production. Carbohydrates are the body's preferred energy source. They are broken down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream and is delivered to cells for immediate use or storage. Excess glucose is stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles, providing a reserve of energy for later use. However, if glycogen stores are full, excess glucose can be converted into fat for long-term storage. Proteins are the building blocks of your body, essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes, and supporting immune function. When you consume protein, it's broken down into amino acids, which are then used to create new proteins specific to your body's needs. While protein can be used for energy, it's not its primary function. Fats are a concentrated source of energy, providing more than twice the amount of energy per gram compared to carbohydrates or proteins. They are broken down into fatty acids, which can be used by cells for energy or stored for later use. When your body needs extra fuel, such as during prolonged exercise or when carbohydrate intake is low, it can tap into its fat stores for energy. Digestion is a team effort, and behind the scenes, there are some key players working tirelessly to ensure everything runs smoothly. Enzymes are like tiny workers, each with a specific job to do. They act like tiny scissors, snipping large food molecules into smaller, more manageable pieces that your body can easily absorb. Then we have bile, a yellowish-green liquid produced by your liver. Bile acts like a detergent, breaking down fats into smaller droplets, just like dish soap breaks down grease in your sink. And let's not forget about our trillions of tiny helpers, the gut microbiome, a bustling community of bacteria residing in your large intestine. These bacteria are essential for digesting certain fibers, producing vitamins, and keeping your immune system in check. They play a vital role in maintaining your overall health. Now, get ready for some fun facts about your digestive system that might surprise you. Did you know that if you stretched out your small intestine, it would be about 20 feet long, roughly the length of a tennis court? That's a lot of surface area for nutrient absorption. The entire digestive tract is about 30 feet long from mouth to anus. And how about this? Your stomach produces about 2 liters of gastric juice every single day. That's like a whole bottle of soda. But instead of quenching your thirst, it's breaking down your food. The gut has its own nervous system, called the enteric nervous system, often referred to as the second brain. It communicates with the brain, influencing mood, hunger, and even decision-making. The digestive tract's lining is replaced every 3 to 5 days, ensuring that it stays in top shape to handle the constant breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. Finally, have you ever wondered how long it takes for food to make its way through your entire digestive system? Well, the whole journey, from the first bite to elimination, can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours, depending on what you ate and your individual digestive process. Food takes 6 to 8 hours to pass through your stomach and small intestine, but 20 to 40 hours to journey through the large intestine. So next time you sit down for a meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey your food is about to embark on, and the amazing work your digestive system does every day. The digestive system can sometimes encounter issues. Common disorders include acid reflux, IBS, lactose intolerance, and celiac disease. To support your digestive system, eat a balanced diet, stay hydrated, chew thoroughly, exercise, and manage stress. A healthy gut is key to overall well-being. From the simple act of taking a bite to the moment your body hums with energy, digestion is a remarkable process. It's a testament to the intricate workings of your body, a symphony of organs, enzymes, and microorganisms working in perfect harmony. Your digestive system is a marvel of engineering, transforming the food you eat into the fuel that powers your every thought, action, and breath. It's a process we often take for granted, yet it's fundamental to our very existence. By understanding how it works, and by making healthy choices that support its function, you can ensure that this intricate system continues to operate at its best, providing you with the energy and nutrients you need to thrive. So, the next time you enjoy a delicious meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey your food is about to embark on. And remember that you have the power to support the amazing process of digestion. That's it for now. See you next time. Keep watching MedGrow and take care of yourself.